Getting an account warning message on your TikTok profile on your iPhone? No worries. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove this account warning message from your TikTok profile on your iPhone. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, open up your Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the feedback and help. Then scroll down and tap on the report a problem option. Then write your problem like, "Hello TikTok team, I'm getting an account warning in my profile. If I violate any community guidelines, unfortunately, please recheck and remove this warning." And then attach the screenshot. Finally, tap submit. TikTok support will send you the feedback on your account within 48 hours. So folks, this is the way to solve this account warning message on your TikTok profile on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you have anything to ask, then ask away in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.